Do you still spending hours in the studio? Now you can get professional photos without going outside. Let's check this out. Making a new profile picture has never been easier. Now, with the help of AI, we can turn ordinary photos of ourselves into realistic professional image with the smartphone app. So, we are going to use PortraitMe. Alright, now we are in PortraitMe home screen. Right here, you can choose different types of portrait style, location or background. Or click Get Start here and select your photo. Choose the style between the one that you like. So I select this one and generate now. We just turn Selfie into realistic studio looking AI photo. If you click this icon, we can enhance or retouch the AI photo. Click download to save this image. Now say goodbye to the spending hours at a studio. Let's try with another style. We also have different types of background style like casual, vintage and travel. So let's apply this one and select your photo. Generate now. We can also turn our photo into art. So under creative art, we have style like sketch, illustration and 3D render. So let's try with another picture. PortraitMe is available in Google Play Store and App Store. Just click the link below to download and try it for free trial. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I will see you later in the next video.